You want some ham, kitty? Meow. You want some ham? You want some ham, kitty? Hey. It's not that high, weirdo.
Why not?
I don't really buy the premise. I mean, who in his right mind would put up with somebody who drives him crazy for all those years?
You want some ham?
I mean, it would be different if they were related.
What do you want? Meow. What is it?
Picking out a wedding crystal.
Oh, yeah. They're rookies.
Aren't you cute? Aren't you cute, you little shit?
That would be really exciting. Next time you ask me to go shopping with you, use it to go. Let's go.
She's like a dumpster. What? You want it?
What the hell is this? Who's here? Hey, dude.
You want it?
What are you doing?
Oh.
I invited a few friends over. You don't have any friends.
No, she's not very bright.
Melissa does.
What, baby? What do you want, baby? Do you want the ham that's right next to you? Stupid head?
You said you could have a party. I'm sorry. I thought we lived
Good
here.
girl.